Hello everyone and welcome to the Olympus Chess Academy app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how students can use this platform easily for classes, assignments, puzzles, analysis, and many more exciting features. So first, you have to go to Google Chrome or whatever the browser you are using, and then type our website, the Olympus I already do have. So I go and enter the web app. Yes. So here we have our the Olympus Academy website. So you can go from by clicking from here, or if it's just app login, if you see it's prompting right in front of the screen. So you can also go from here. So I'm gonna show you in details in case if you're not seeing this app login this option. So you go here in the website, and after entering the website, you can see on the top right corner, right over here, you can see app login. So what you need to do is to go to the app login here, and then you must give the username and the password, which is being the academy provide you, because you cannot create or make random username or password. Only administrators only can give you the access here. So I'm just gonna show you one of my students demo account. Okay, after successing entering on the app, you will see something like this welcome message. It says welcome to Olympus Chess Academy, and this nice welcome message. So once you're ready, click on that ready, and the app is ready for you. After logging to the account, you'll see there are a lot of features here and there. At first it might seem very confused, but I'll guide you slowly and step by step. So this tutorial video is going to be a little more lengthier, so don't worry, just pay attention, and you'll understand everything about this app. In this app, first of all, I'm going to tell you there are a lot of features we have implemented, and also we can assure that a lot of Indian chess applications doesn't have that much of the features we do have. And also we are trying a regular update on it, and putting different functions in this app. So after starting, you just hover your cursor right on top, and you can see a lot of menus, right? And a lot of functions over there. So I'm going one by one. So first you can see the pairing option. Actually, these pairing options is only fully available for the admin account, but the students couldn't enter here. Students can only see and the offline tournaments details after loading any of the tournaments, or you can check the players are currently standing for the offline events and the rankings and the ratings and everything. So I'm not going in details about it. Just go yourself and discover by clicking the names, or by loading the tournaments details and checking out the standings like that. So you can check out everything by yourself, like view rounds. So this is about the offline games tournaments that has actually conducted in our offline classes. Okay, next we have the play online section, where actually you can play with your friends, you can play with your coach online, just by making the games, time control, choosing white and black, and create the room. After creating the room, you just need to share the code, and you can start your game. And if your partner or coach create the room, they will share the room code with you. You just enter the room code and paste it and join the room. And you can see the normal options like flipping the board, draw, resigns, and everything is there. Currently you cannot see the boards in the time because we haven't created. I just show you one for creation. So I'm just putting 10 minutes, and once I create room, and you can something is like that. So it's like the don't like this a white player's name here, and the black is like connecting. As I choose white, so once black join, the name will appear here. In this section, the pigeon of the game will appear, and you can also copy the pigeon as well. Over here, it's like the custom position that you can apply, and can play from here. So how you can use this custom FEN? Well, for that we need an editor board to create a custom position. To do that, you just go to the menu and you need to find the editor option. So the editor is right over here. Once you go to the editor, now you can create any position you want, just by looking at the right hand side menu, like clear the board, dragging the pieces, and something like that. As you can see, I'm creating a random position like this example, and you want to play from here. So you just copy the FN here. You can check the castle if you want to include it, and you can choose the white or black to move. So once you copy the FN, go to the play online section, paste your FN over here. Also, you must choose which one you want to play with. Let's assume I'm playing with white with 10 minutes. And once you create the room, and the room has been created actually here. And once you can see, because the FN won't show immediately, once your partner will join, the board will appear here. So this is about the creation of this online game. And also the nice feature during the game, you can also make arrows over the board just by making the right click by a green color. If you hold control, it will be red color. If you hold alt, it will be yellow color, and if you hold shift, it will be blue color. So this is a very nice feature you can use during the game to visualize more easily on the board. So this is actually a very nice feature in this board. And yeah, you can use the flipboard, and also you can draw and design as well. Nothing much right over here. So let's go to the second subtab, and you can see here it says all games. So once you go to the all games, so that means whatever the games has been played through online with a coach or the other players, you can see the games over here. So once you play a game example, you go any of the game, for an example this game, and this is gonna open right like this, and you can see the game like just by using the navigation button. Also, you can copy the pigeon, and you can use analysis and review. This will be going to be a different section. I'll later I'll cover this one. Okay, now going for okay, I forgot, actually there are a lot of features, even I'm forgetting to mention many of it. Yeah, you can also change the color of the board by using, you can see right underneath the live match. Yes, there's a how to play option you can check out, and you can discover XPs. You can change the color of the white color, and you can change the dark square color. So it depends upon you which color you want, and once you click on this option, this will undo every color here. Yes, also the search by name, you can search the games by player name as well. Just give you an example. Let's say I'm gonna choose the name Ananya, and you can see all of the game that Ananya played, it's showing right over there, and the result and the date time, everything. Yes, actually, more you the main way to understand the app is by exploring by yourself. I'm trying to guide you overall, but maybe I might miss a lot of features. So yeah, so better if you just explore yourself, you can understand it more clearly. So now let's go to the very important and vital point, that's the assignment section. In the assignment section, you can see this this window with the divided in 3 partitions. On the left hand side, you can see this all codes about the assignments, like, and you can see the names of the assignments, the descriptions which students has been given, and the start assignments options. And the middle one, you can see the badges systems. The badges systems will gonna be unlocked after you do 3 assignments, so it's a nice achievement feature. So it's like how many badges you can unlock. It's like a rewarding system. You can check it, you can test yourself how many badges you can unlock. We implemented like over 200 badges over here, and once unlocked, it will create a nice animation with sound effects and all. And yeah, this is like the achievements. Now I'm gonna show you how you can do an assignments and submit it. So once you see, for example, the chapter is pin with the bishops, and I hope a lot of you know how to make a pin, and especially the chapter, the assignments is with the bishop. So you just need to start assignments, and the assignments will be something like that. The timer is will be there, and the puzzles, you can see there are 24 puzzles, and this is the first puzzle. So you have to solve, and you have to make a pin with your bishop. So you just find the square, how you can, where you to move to pin something here. So imagine you play something like a wrong move. Let's say here, of course this is not a pin, but the moment you make a wrong move here, it shows the wrong move and try again, and it shows the how many tries you're making. If I play one more time, it shows 2 times you did the retrying here, right? So yeah, it also shows like how many wrong moves you're making on a single puzzle. And yes, once you do the correct answer, example like if I move the bishop here, also you can use the arrow system as well, and we can say this is going to be an absolute pin. Once you go bishop it's a pin, and you win the knight. Once you solve the puzzle, automatically the puzzle will change to the next puzzle. Also, you can use this button here underneath the chessboard, so you can manually select any puzzles. Example, you're stuck on a certain puzzles and you tried a lot and you're making a lot of mistakes. So what you can do, you can just simply skip the puzzle and go to the next. So once you do all like these and go all the way end, let's say I'm going to show you, and you ended up the last one, it is very important you must submit after the last puzzle. Okay, you never can submit before. For an example, this one, and this is the right move, I can pin and I'm gonna win. And once you done, the nice effects and sounds and emotions will appear, and then it appear like submit solution. What you need to do, you just need to hit the submit solution button. Once you submit solution, it shows like the total number of moves, how much time you've taken, how many correct puzzles you have done, including you skipped and make wrong. And once that, you just click OK. A nice weird animations here, and done. Your assignments has been submitted, so your coach will review the assignments. So you can also check your assignments by yourself. If you see in the assignment history, you can see the assignment just you have done, it's appearing right over here. So you see the 2 out of 24 puzzles and the date as well. If you want to check everything details, the puzzles times, you can click on this puzzles button here, and it shows the puzzles, that how much time you have taken, wrong and right, and the skip with the warning sign. So you can also check like this about your puzzle answers. A very nice way to check your own puzzles like that. And also if you want to do, for an example, you miss something and you want to do one more time, you can simply click reattempt, and the reattempt has been started, and you can start your puzzles from the way. So yeah, I mean, this is very nice about the assignments, and this is how you can done. And also after your coach review your assignments, the coach will give you the grades. As you can see the C plus, A positive, double A, double A, double A, double A, B plus, C plus. These are the all are the grades. The grades is like from the top tier, like double A, then A plus, then A, then B plus, then B, then C plus and C, and finally D. So all these grades representing how very good. Developments is the highest grade you have get. The C means the one of the very lowest one. So it depends upon how you solve, how many attempts you have. Coach will review that one and give you the grade like that. And later with the coach, you can see where did you mistake, and coach will discuss all that thing. So this is pretty much about the assignments one. You can also search manually. For an example, you want to do some checkmate in one puzzle, you just like tap mate in one, and all the available mate in one will be appear. You just go and select one and start. So very nice. There is no time limit, no move limits or something. You can try anytime, you can do any puzzles. There are thousand, like over 10,000 puzzle total in our assignments library. So yeah, very nice. Just right sitting from your home, you can do all these things. Let's go to the next feature. There's a classroom feature. Basically there's nothing, it's the feature is for the online students. Like if your teacher will give you the puzzles, you just need to solve the puzzle, you will get grades and see all the data you will collect. So this features is available for the online classroom. Next, the feature puzzlers, and this puzzlers feature you have applied, and where in chess.com you have to give, and you can see, and the feature, and also we have implement this feature, and the details is actually mentioned here, and I recommend you just read the details before you go for the puzzle. So 3 minutes rush, 5 minutes rush, and survival. Like for an example, I just show you one demo how you can do it. Let's say the 3 minutes starts, you means that the timer is actually starting. You got 3 lives and how many puzzles you are doing. So one wrong and you lost 1 life. Example, I make a wrong move and it's wrong. And if you let's play a correct move, like this is a correct move which is made, and the next puzzle will appear. And once you make all the wrongs, it shows sword and everything, and yeah, this is how it's done. And the 5 minutes same, you got the 5 minutes. Survival is like you have no lives and one wrong, you won, but no time. So this features is very important if you want to be strong in tactical visions. I would recommend highly to do this every single day with every time control. Next is the puzzle battle one, and this puzzle battle also available in chess. You can see in the chess.com feature, but we have implemented in our app. Basically, you need a partner. Same with the game area, and play a game with a partner, like solving puzzles. How many puzzles? All the same puzzles will be given, and you'll see within the time control of 3 minutes who can solve more or lost all that. So very nice one to make fun and do competition or puzzle battle with your partner. Puzzle sticks, another very nice feature. In this feature, there is no time control, but there are different categories like easiest to insane, and you can choose any feature, any options, or you can see all level mix. So easiest, let's say easiest, and you start the puzzle. So you have to solve the problem. It doesn't show which problem. You have to find the correct answer. I know the answer actually. If you know, you just try to solve yourself. And also there's a streak system, very nice. Once you get the 5 puzzles correct in a row, the nice animation appear and you get some XP. The XP is a very nice feature in our app. I'm gonna show you very quick, soon about that one. I know this video is getting too much long, but this is worth it, because once you understand every features, you don't have any questions left to ask actually. So this video takes might a very long time, so I would recommend just be stay with me. Yeah, so this is also a nice feature to go with, and once puzzles everything's poses, you just explore by yourself what would happen if the sticks were failed. You'll see nice features and get XPs. Also you can change the color board in this board as well, same as we have seen in the multiplayer game options, right? Next one is the quiz feature, very nice one. You got 30 seconds. There's a options to choose: right move, wrong move. You lose 1 life, 3 lives for the whole quiz section. And with progress, the next will appear. It will show at the end how your move corrects and all. So you better check yourself. This is a quiz also top-notch recommendation. You also do it. We have implement a lot of valuable and important features for our students to do practice from different perspective, right? So you can spend hours in our application without boring for kids, for to the even the elder person. as well. Yeah, of course, with the time up. So let's go to the Olympus AI, one of the most another important feature where you can play with our bots. So we have two bots. One is Aris Blaster, and the next one we have the Oli bot. So you can choose any bots. You can choose color over here. You can choose format will family there, and there's some dice mode. Dice mode. I'm not gonna tell you which dice mode is. You just better check it out. It's like random move the computer will make by rolling the dice. It's a very fun game part, so better you check it out by yourself. And yes, two very important feature, and most of the application does not have this feature. You can actually make any custom position you want from any kind of end games, chess 960 and all. For an example, you want to do a checkmate, queen checkmate. For an example, mate queen. If you just select this one, the game will start from here. Once you start the game will start. And and you can want to resign, you can resign. If you want to take back, but then the thing is, let's say you start the game.
Game started. You are playing white. Good luck.
So once let's play, you play something like this, and you want to take this back. What you can do is just click take back, but there's a thing that you have to implement that it requires some XPs. So if you do not have that sufficient XPs, it because every take back requires 4 XPs, but I have 73 XPs in this device, so you can use that and take back your move. So yeah, XPs required to take back move. It's a very nice one because we are not giving you that for free, right? It is because in a real game you don't have the option to take it back, so you just need to do something to get this reward of take back, right? Yeah, so you can play a normal game. If you want to play a new game, just reset.
Game reset. A new game is ready.
So you can start this game. So yeah, very nice feature, honestly, and better you check yourself. Also, after the game, you can go to the game history, and you can check every game's details and everything. Once you click, you can check. Again, you have seen the analysis options about the multiplayer we have seen, and yeah, you can check. I'll tell you soon about this one. The next is the analysis board. Actually, we have this one, and yeah, in the analysis board here, boy, there are a lot of things in the analysis board here. You just analysis your game, just seeing every moves here and all the notations here, and you can go right back, and also you can use the engines here to see the correct moves and the evolution and everything, the depth and all. So who you know how to use the engines, you can understand what the moves are meaning. The first one is showing the top moves, which gives you the best move. Then the second best move, and the third move. Nothing and all. And these are the options to use the classroom feature, kind of like it's like on the King Fun version. Next we are going to go the XP jackpot system here, and yes, I'm also maybe forgetting to include a lot of things, but it will get too much long, but I'm trying to make it quickly as possible. The XP jackpot is a nice way you get free XPs by, you can check it out, and also you can spend XPs to spin on some XPs over here. And about the XP system, you can see on the right hand side in the corner, you can, after you solving puzzles and everything, and you get some XPs. Better you check from this exclamation the question mark how you can get XPs by from every features, and you gather the XPs over here, and you can use the avatar. Like I do have this avatar, I do have this animations and everything profiles, and all. You can buy some fancy artworks, the cursors and everything. Better you check yourself everything. um, that's it. On the right hand top, there's the daily missions and playing different games. The games includes over there. On the left hand side, the history got the XPs, where and how, so you can track yourself when when you actually do all the things. So this is a tracking system that everyday basis what you're doing. And this over here, it shows all the funny games and the games about the um, high school, right? It shows your own high scores. The profile system shows the overall accuracy from the assignments, the time you're spending, the more the puzzles you have done, and the assignments you've done. And yes, on the top of the bar, it shows the top leader from this app, your elo, and everything. How, if you think this is how the rating calculates, you just check this one, how the rating by progress. You can better understand that. And if you want to see the leaderboard here, in like rating wise, the elo rating, and there's a lot of mini games features. You can select any mini games and see the leaderboards and their levels and ratings. Better you just check once again, check yourself of the thing. Next is the coordinates system. Coordinates is like that.
H8.
You have to find the squares by you can see you can hide and hide the coordinates. You can flip the board. This is a very nice practice to understand the squares on a chessboard. So, but I'm just again recommending to check this by yourself. This features the learn piece placement. Piece movements. How you can use the pieces on the board, like how the pieces moves. Wrong moves will give you the feedback on the immediately, and the right move will show the green for all the pieces as well. And you can see your score over here, and you can make a new anytime. So better check yourself that. Seemingly the IQ hand, just I recommend check this one, how it goes and all, and guess the pieces as the same. Every single one, the mini games, I would recommend to check by yourself and go with that. That's it. I think we have covered most of them. The one is the study one, and in the study you can see a lot of studies. You can go and import the studies, and you can see the moves. And again, here there are a lot of features. The trainer feature, which you allows you to repeat the moves. You can also review. You can choose the colors. You can go next and back pigeons, also change the color. Drawing systems also, flip the board, the replay system as well, and talking system. The coach will talk, local AI review. And I would recommend to invest more and more time to just to check the whole app, just to get the overview. So yes, that's it. And of course, I might forget to maybe lot of things to feature, but the video is already bit quite long. So please explore yourself, and you'll get better knowledge of the app and overall thing. And yeah, that's it. Nothing else. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to one important thing. There's a little coach tips on the analysis tab, you can see, and you can see sometimes there's a right hand side, the coach will appear and gives you some sub tips. If you don't want that, you can just uncheck it. If you want, you can check it. So yeah, that's the function of it. And overall, this is how it works. And if somebody's playing some games with bots or something, you can check the live games. And how you can check, you can see a red the live dot is blinking, red dot is blinking, so that means someone is playing. If you want to check the game, you just click there and then watch live, and you can see someone is playing, the mega is playing with bot, and you can see the game. Yeah, this is how the features works, and nothing else. I hope you understood our app, and once again, explore yourself and you can understand much more better. Thank you so much to be with me for the whole time on this tutorial. I know these videos takes a lot of time, but this is worth of it, right? So thank you so much, and yeah, thank you, and have fun and do practice to get more strong. Bye everyone. Thank you.